Hello, free folk, and welcome back to Broken Free. Now, before anything, I don't usually do this, but this is a really big update. I want to make sure that all of my subscribers get a chance to see this on their homepage. So, if you help me out, go down and hit that like button right now. This will help everyone get a chance to see this video. Again, I don't usually do this, but you help me out this one time, I'll really appreciate it. Now, like I said, there is a lot of updates and a lot of news happening on this channel right now. I've even written it all down so I don't forget anything. I'm gonna try and be quick and not waste too much of your time here. So stick with me to the end. I think you're gonna be glad that you did. So let's just jump right into it. First update, not a really big update. Some of you might have already picked up on it, but this channel has changed from what used to be pretty much selectively a seasonal work education channel where I talked about seasonal jobs, how to get them, why they were good, and it has changed to a travel variety channel. So what you can expect from this channel right now is travel content, vlogs, seasonal job education. I'll get out of here, skiff. Seasonal job opportunities and skills related to those seasonal jobs too. So that's what you can expect coming up. Now, moving along, next big update is the 2019 Alaska salmon season has finally ended. It was a great season for us on our boat. We did really well for ourselves, and this means a couple of things. First thing this means is I can finally shave my beard and cut my hair. I'm really looking forward to it. It's doing a lot of crazy stuff right now. But beyond that, I'm gonna have an opportunity to finally edit together the videos I've been taking and make the videos that I've been planning this entire summer. So let's talk about the videos coming up right now. One thing that I want to do is I want to have a commenter Q&A. So what this means is that all the comments that you have put in the other videos that I've made and all the comments that you drop in this video here, I'm going to be putting them together and making a Q&A video where I can answer those questions. I've gotten a lot of great questions about seasonal jobs and about the things that I'm doing, and I want to address those for everyone here who's subscribed so that everyone can get to learn all the things that are happening down in the comments. That's one video coming up. We are also going to be trying to remaster a bunch of the old videos that I've made. There's been a handful of videos that I've just kind of gone back and looked at, and I was just like, ugh, I wish I'd done better. And I'm afraid that some of you there in the subscriber base are sitting there watching some of my videos being like, ugh, I wish Broken Free did better. And I can, and I will. So if you have any videos that you think that I could do again and do better, go and leave a comment and let me know. I'll try it again. A couple of them I'm trying to do. I want to do another one doing the Saner tour. That's the one coming to my mind right now. That's all I can think of. I'm gonna move along. But beyond that, I have loads of video from this 2019 fishing season, and there's gonna be a bunch of videos coming out from it. So just to list a couple, some videos coming out, there's gonna be one on how the fishing boat runs when it's actually working during the day. There's going to be a video on a day in the life on a fishing boat, get you a real feel for what it feels like living and working on a fishing boat, how to shower on a fishing boat, knot tying skills for fishermen and knot tires, life lessons that I learned on a fishing boat. I mean, like, the list just goes on. There's going to be a lot of really cool videos coming out from this season. So look out for all of that coming up. And after that, I'm gonna be working on the van that I bought last year after the salmon season. After the last salmon season, I bought a van and started building out the inside so it can be a mobile home for myself. And I'm going to be revisiting that project this winter. So after all this fishing content is done being published, I'm going to be publishing a bunch of van life videos, van build videos, and I'm really excited for that. So if you like van life content, if you have friends that enjoy van life or van building, then go ahead and share this with them. It could be something cool to, share together. And I don't know how y'all do your YouTube experience. I like talking to my friends about my favorite YouTubers. So if you want to share it with someone, go ahead and do that. But we got van building stuff coming up for this channel real soon too. Now, the last update on top of the fishing season videos and the van life videos, I want to talk about the upload frequency and how that's been changing. So for a long time, I was editing and publishing about one video every 2 weeks. Recently, I changed that to one video every week. But for the next few weeks, maybe even months, I'm going to be uploading much more sporadically, but also much more frequently. So what this means is that if you haven't hit that subscribe button and the bell icon on the subscribe button yet, now is the time to do it, because YouTube doesn't much like promoting videos that don't get uploaded on a regular routine schedule. So if you hit that bell icon, it's going to guarantee you'll be notified when new videos come out. And on top of that, I have some added incentive. So I have very recently edited together what is by far, hands down, the best video that I've made yet. I am so happy with the end product on this one. Now, here's the deal. I'm going to publish this on a random day at a random time in the near future. So, if you want to see it, if you hit that bell icon now, you will be guaranteed to be one of the first people to see it, and you'll be guaranteed not to miss it. If you see the video and you like it, feel free to stay subscribed and leave that bell icon on. If you don't, you can feel free to unclick the bell icon, unsubscribe. You're free to do it. I'll just be very sad. So, that's about, now that I'm through the end of it, I think that's all the updates I have for you. So, look out for that new video. I'm really excited for it. I hope you are too. And I'm excited for just all this cool stuff. I'm really excited for all these fishing videos, the van life videos, and everything happening with this channel. Drop in the comments, say hello, ask some questions, share some ideas. Your thoughts, your questions, your support, they all mean the world to me. So thank you. That's all I've got. Thank you for everything, guys. This was Broken Free. And until next time, peace.